The Rafale M is a French twin-engine, delta-wing, multi-role combat aircraft designed and manufactured by Dassault Aviation. It is a naval variant of the Rafale family, specifically developed for the French Navy to operate from aircraft carriers. The M in Rafale M stands for Marine, which indicates its naval capability. First introduced in 2001, the Rafale M is known for its versatility, agility, and advanced avionics. The aircraft is designed to perform various missions, including air superiority, interception, reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence. The Rafale M can carry a wide range of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, such as Mica and Meteor, air-to-ground missiles, such as Scalp EG and ASAM, anti-ship missiles, such as Exocet and ANF, and a 30mm Juat-30 DIFA cannon. 42 aircraft were delivered to the Marine Nationale. The Rafale M is fully compatible with U.S. Navy aircraft carriers, and some French Navy pilots have qualified to fly the aircraft from U.S. Navy flight decks. On 4 June 2010, during an exercise on USS Harry S. Truman, a French Rafale became the first jet fighter of a foreign navy to have its engine replaced on board an American aircraft carrier.